This video is for educational and entertainment use only. The views in this video do not necessarily represent the views or life of Marlon Dixon.
Welcome back to Duffle LO. Sit down, and the sun is in my eyes, so I gotta be a little blind. Welcome back to Duffle LO. Sit down, you guys, and we're still on the Russia video. So, last video I just showed you guys, hey, it is what it is. This is what's going on with Russia. It's a lot going on. It's too much going on. That is so much going on. I gotta share right now so I can show you guys a new video. What I'm gonna get ready and do. Make sure you guys hit the like button. If it's your first time in here, consider subscribing. What does that say? Russian central bank restarts gold buying. This is from February 27th this year. So they was already buying gold, but now they buying more of it. But why? Because they understand what's going on. Gold is getting further support, rising above the $1,900 level, a fresh 52-week high as of late Sunday, as U.S. equities see more volatility amid Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Russian central bank indicated it will dip back into the precious metals market, which means we're gonna go ahead buy the gold. Because we buy the gold, we know we're gonna create this gold-backed digital currency, but we got the gold, so we can say that whatever gold get reevaluated as, we got this in gold, so this how many of the digital currencies we can put out. On February 28, 2022, the Bank of Russia resumes the purchase of gold on the domestic precious metals market. The purchase price of gold will be determined daily based on the morning price of the London Bullion Market Association. A notice read on the bank's website. This follows confirmed that U.S. and foreign allies agreed to remove select Russian banks from SWIFT, the global financial system curbing access to banks in over 200 countries, an aggressive attempt to weaken Russia's financial power, as we've seen. That's literally what it's doing. It's not just saying that it's weakening it, it actually is weakening because they not allowing them to get access to all the money that they have, even though they have this money because they end up giving up their oil and they got paid for it. But because they got paid in certain banks and they holding their money in certain banks, the US and the Europe and all of them has frozen their stuff. So it's like now they stuck. But the SPDR Gold Fund, a large exchange traded fund backed by physical gold, has advanced 5% in February compared to the SP 500, which was falling 3%. Last Thursday, gold closed at $1,925.10, then a fresh 52-week high as U.S. equities saw steep swings between losses and gains. Gold prices, which mirror the fund, could continue to climb, according to UBS. Amid the risk of supply disruptions, we think broad commodities can be an effective geopolitical hedge for portfolios, as well as offering an attractive source of returns in an environment of accelerating growth, persistent inflation, and higher rates. Mark Hafili, Chief Investment Officer of Global Wealth Management, UBS AG, wrote last week. We think a protracted escalation could push gold prices above $2,000 an ounce. So they already getting back to the gold game, and they telling y'all that this is a nice. You see when they start using this, a geopolitical hedge. When they look, oh dang, what happened? Let me go back to it. They ain't want me to do it. They don't want me to highlight it. But when they say a geopolitical hedge against your portfolio, that's what, without insider trading, because if they insider trade where they, hey bro, you gotta move your money from over there and move it over here, that's insider trading. But when they put it in an article like this and they put it out for the world, if the world find it and the world understand the language, then they basically saying, hey bro, it's time to move your shit from over there, bro. Take your bread from over there, put it over there. Cause that shit finna tank. That shit finna tank. This is a hedge. That means this is up, this is down. And the hedge, basically, you put your money into something to make sure that it stays leveled off. But you might get a little premium, like they said in the article. So this may go up a little bit. So now your money, they just gained a little bit. You ain't gonna gain that much, but you gain something. At least you ain't lose nothing. Some people gonna keep their money in the money, and then next thing you know, their dollar gonna be worth negative 30,000. So that's all I gotta say for this video. Hope you guys learned something. Let you guys know Russia got a lot going on, and we gotta deal with the sun. Or I gotta try to fix this after this video. I know you guys want to see my pretty eyes, but everybody don't need to see that. But like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below, donate to the channel, help me pay for law school, get a law school book. Well, help me get some cocoa and give me a donut so I can stay up to read all the stuff to get the information to bring it back to you guys. So, like I said, don't underestimate family, friends, lovers, enemies. Look objectively, no matter what city, state, or country is in, every hood is the same. If nobody told you they love you today, I'm gonna tell you guys right now because I truly love you guys. So I bring you guys this information. I want you guys to prosper through adversity, and I want to make you guys aware of what's going on in the world and show you guys this language and stuff. Like I said, to be aware is to be alive. So since I make you guys aware, I want you guys to be alive. And since I want you guys to be alive, that shows you that I love you. That's what I do. I show love. So we still on the Russia videos and everything. There's a lot of stuff going on with this. And I want you guys to slowly walk with me through this. It's so much that is too much, but I got to bring it all to you. So I got to say for this video.
This video is for educational and entertainment use only. The views in this video do not necessarily represent the views or life of Marlon Dixon.